Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a special unboxing here. This watch was lent in by the company here. I pronounced it Perrelet. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but I've been aware of this brand for many years now. Always wanted to check one out, so really appreciate this opportunity to take a look at this watch. The shipping box was really large, so I took this box out of that box. So let's take a look at it. I have no idea what it's going to look like. I gotta clear the camera here. There we go. Alright, so it's a box within a box. Actually, let me slide this off the table real quick. Alright, sorry about that. Looks like we have a case in here actually. Oh, it looks to be a crush-proof, waterproof type case, kind of like a Pelican case. So yeah, very cool. So you can see there, 1777. The company was founded in 1777. I don't know if it's been in continuous operation since then. I need to look into that. So it looks like you have, looks like black straps, and then, well, these are, I don't know if that's black or blue, I can't really tell, but for some reason there's two different straps. So yeah, these are the ones that I've been familiar with. This particular model here, I don't even know if they make other models, but you can see the rotor just spinning around in there. It looks like a turbine, which is very cool. I mean, I'm barely even moving this, and that thing's just taken off. Yeah, I think that's cool. Looks to be kind of like a Americana color scheme here. You got the red, white, and blue. The case kind of reminds me of a Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. So, two straps in here. Looks to be some kind of a tool. I think it's wedged in there somehow. I gotta get a better look at that. But anyway, let's set this down. Oh, I see there's a split in here. So it looks to be a spring bar tool. Okay, set the case to the side and get this watch on wrist. Nice feeling rubber strap here. It may be natural rubber, not lubber. Lubber strap. That'd be from a whale, I guess. Oh, I can hear that. Can you guys hear that? Let me know if you can hear that. Yeah, I don't see what it says on here if this is natural rubber or not, but it certainly feels like it. It feels very nice. It's not some kind of cheap silicone. Alright, let's zoom in, check out the movement, and I'll get this on wrist and close out the video. I think that says Turbine United limited edition. Kind of hard to make that out. A4062 S1. Not quite sure what's in that kind of a black box there. Maybe that's the serial number. So water resistant Perrelet. Oh, there's those numbers again. Sapphire crystal, and then Swiss made, 5 ATM. So that's 50 meters. So I thought it'd be a little more than that, being that it's a dive watch. And so this is the rotor. I thought this was the rotor on the front. So this is probably just that would explain why it's spinning so fast. It's probably just a free sprung rotor in there. I don't know if that actually powers the movement. So I got some more research to do before the full video, but here's just a quick look at it. Let me get it on wrist and we'll close out the video here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. Such a cool looking watch. I mean, I highly doubt that you would see this on anyone else's wrist in real life. I don't know. It's just so cool. All right, let's get it on wrist. I was gonna wear this into work, but I don't know. We'll see. Looks like I'm on the tightest hole position here. I'm gonna grab this other strap here real quick. Oh, so there's little nubs on here to keep the keeper in place. So if I pull this up, it should index in there. There we go. Just maybe a little bit shorter. Yeah, I guess this one might be a little bit shorter. I really don't know what that's for. We'll look at it here closely in a second. Yeah, every time you move your wrist, this thing just starts spinning. Okay, sorry, just I'll look at this strap one more time and then we'll close out the video. Nope, it's the same length, so maybe they just include an extra strap. I don't know, let me know if those looks like different colors to you. I really can't tell. So, alright, well, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.